Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need Binance logged in, your phone with Google Authenticator installed, and access to your registered email. Once ready, go to Binance, tap Account, then Security. Choose Bind Google Authenticator and follow prompts. You will see a QR code and a backup key. Save the backup key somewhere offline immediately because it lets you recover your account if your phone is lost. Make sure to write it down or store it in a secure password manager before scanning the code. Open Google Authenticator and tap to add an account. Choose Scan a QR code, then aim your camera at Binance's QR. If the camera won't scan, tap Enter a setup key and paste the backup key exactly. Once the account appears in the app, note the rotating 6-digit code. Enter 2 consecutive codes into Binance to verify timing and successful linking. This double confirmation prevents sync errors, so wait for the next code cycle before submitting. After confirmation, Binance will display that Google Authenticator is enabled. Try logging out and back in to test. Keep the backup key offline. This is your recovery method if you lose the phone. If you encounter failed codes, make sure your phone's time is set to automatic network-provided time because time drift breaks codes. If that does not fix it, use the backup key to re-add the account in Authenticator, or contact Binance support with verification ready. Do not share your backup key with anyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.